What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today got a case video for y'all. Shout out to Urban Armageddon for sending out their Monarch case. Really dope case. I got it in a black colorway with carbon fiber in the back. I love this design. You can get it with leather or carbon fiber. I chose the carbon fiber, and you know what phone this is for. Here we go. We got to shout out the flaws. The Wesley Snipes Black Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and you know what it is, biggest bezel in the game right now. Biggest camera hump in the game right now. Correction. But let's just go ahead and take a look at the case. We'll make this thing pretty simple. Urban Armageddon, drop tested, premium protection, designed for Samsung, of course. Now, we got the armor frame, we got the premium material, we got 5 layers of protection. This is a really rugged case, guys, and it's really for some good protection. And of course, I want to protect my $1,300 investment. So it's going to, I can tell it's going to be dope. We're going to go ahead and get it out. This is the typical UAG packaging, guys. Really nice presentation. You can see the case through this like frosted type plastic. We're going to get this out the way. We're going to take a look at the case, and here we go. Just a gorgeous carbon fiber inlay and this polycarbonate case, guys. As you can see, we got the makeshift Torx on each corner. We got some feet to actually stop us from scratching the back of this case. We got the UAG branding, very dope. On the sides, we got a little we got a pattern for some grip protection. Grip protection is along with drop protection. It'll stop you from actually dropping your case. Dropping your device in the first place, which is really dope. Okay, we got some more grip type pattern over here. Cut out for your microphone. On the bottom, we got cut out for S Pen, speaker, a little microphone type C. We got UAG branding on the inside of the case, and we got this honeycomb pattern. I'm sure that's more drop absorption. And we got a nice beefed up little area that goes around that big camera hump. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the case like so. Snaps right in there, and voila, there you have it. This thing looks dope, guys. You can't say that this thing don't look dope. This is very dope looking case, very protective, very rugged, very cool looking case, man. So you can see real raised up around that camera hump. You're getting that type of protection, real raised up. I like that. Nice brand. Just the black and the carbon fiber all go together so well. You got those nice big cutouts, for your speaker and your S Pen. You get your S Pen out, even though they got the S Pen on the wrong side, so you can get it out pretty easy. I got big fingers. Yeah, guys. So this is a very dope case. As you can see, got a little raised lip for protection for the front to protect this Invictus glass. So just a very dope looking case, guys. Shout out to UAG for sending it out. This is definitely something. These cases last long, guys. I know these cases are not cheap. They're pretty penny. I'll put an Amazon link down in the description, but they are definitely worth it, guys. They are definitely worth it. They definitely last. They definitely look good. So shout out to UAG for sending it out. It's your man BG Tech Life. This is my Note 20 Ultra, and this is my UAG Monarch case, black with the carbon fiber. I'm out. Peace.